Hi, my name is Amy and today I'm going to show you how to make a card like this. So to start, I had dark pink cardstock which I cut 13 by 26 centimeters, and then you have to fold it in two. And this will be the base for your card. Then from a slightly lighter pink cardstock you cut another piece 12.5 by 12.5 centimeters, and from a white cardstock you cut a third piece 12 by 12 centimeters, which you can emboss to get more dimension on your card. I always like to have a bit more color on my project, so I would just ink the edges slightly like this, and I'll put some brown ink on the pink layer. Then what you need is Spellbinder Nestabilities die Picot edge circles. I took the large circle and die cut one pink circle with it. Then you take the smaller size die, you put it on top of your circle, make sure that the alignment is good, and you run it through your machine. What you get is a die inside a die. There you go. So then once the smaller circle is out, you take the same pink color ink and you ink the inside of the circle. Then you turn it around and with a bit of tape you make sure that it doesn't move. Okay, I think this is enough. And here, this is what you get. Then you take a piece of white cardstock and a stamp. You want to use a sentiment. I'm using Tim Holtz stamps. Brown ink, but you can use also different color, whatever you like. And then you just stamp it on the white cardstock. First, what you'll do next is you take the smaller circle and then you align your sentiment inside of it. Then you'll need a pencil to draw a circle around it and to cut it out. Like this. Here is the word, and I'm just circling around it with my scissors. There you go. So this is how it looks like, and the ink will cover the pencil just slightly on the edge, not to ruin the sentiment. Once the ink is dry, take three-dimensional tape, place the sentiment in the middle, like this. Then you'll need another Spellbinders die, the Fancy Tax 2 Shapeabilities. Here's what you get, a pretty tack, but you don't need the whole tack, you just cut the curly pieces. So you put the double-sided tape under, like this, and then you take your circles, make sure that it's aligned, and this is the end result. You need a small size, middle size white pearls with which you can decorate your circle. It takes a bit of time, but it looks really pretty on your card. So this is the centerpiece of your card. And now it's completely finished. Your next step would be, I used, as you can see on my card, I used a paper doily, which is ready-made. I just rubbed a bit of pink pen pastel on it to give it more color. You take the light pink layer and you put the white one on top of it, like this. Then you take the doily, so you put it in the lower corner, and then you take your ready die cut piece and you put it at the top corner of your card. Then what you need is a ribbon, pretty pink ribbon, so like this. And then you fold the edges under the card. Then you turn your card and you glue it to your base. Once this is done, all you have to do is make a nice bow from ribbon. There you go. And once this is done, you just cut off the extra ribbon and your card is complete. Thank you for watching me, and I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial. Goodbye.